Ugava yere evu stomach. Ugava or evu stomach. Evu kinue, I have a running stomach. Evu kinue, I have a running stomach. We often go evuna, rub the stomach with oil. Evuna worry, swelling stomach. Evuna worry, swelling stomach. Ugava nakpotore, the stomach has reduced. Evuna miaove, I have stomach pain. Ugava eniwawaru, the elephants have big stomach. Follow us on Instagram, IG, Ukokoyo Norobo. Join our Facebook group, Ukokoyo Norobo. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is free. Alright? Follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter. Remain your humble presenter, Ekurume, Oumi Ogenenyeru. Urobo Feyo no Mamo. Urobo is worth learning. Wado.